has been confirmed without a reasonable doubt. Brother Opiyo, the brother to General Otema Awany, whose full name is Opiyo Patrick Awany, who has passed away from Somalia in duty against the Al-Shabaab, may so rest in peace, has been posthumously promoted to the rank of Lieutenant Colonel. Opiyo was holding a position called Major in the army. The person who has just confirmed is called PM Thomas Awany. PM Thomas Awany said, "Thank you, General Museveni, UPDF, and UPDF Army Council for the well-deserved promotion of my brother posthumously, who is a hero and a Pan-Africanist, Major Patrick Opiyo Awany, to Lieutenant Colonel who passed on whilst on duty from Somalia." This development has been reacted to by several people. Like, for example, Chairman Julius Peter said, "We thank him for honoring Brother Opiyo. May he rest in peace." And Nero Atomic James said, "May the God of comfort you and the family." This is the development that has just come in. There's somebody who also testified about the life of Opiyo, where he reacted. This is Colonel Deo Akiki. Colonel Deo Akiki gave his thought about Opiyo. He said, "Major Opiyo has been a true representative of the Ugandan flag. With honor, we offer a final salute, as his soul is a honorable soul. We are delighted. Lay him to rest as well deserved. He has been a true fighter for his continent, Africa. Farewell, soldier. Farewell. Be strong. To the family, be strong, honorable. It is a dark day for us all." That is when he was sending a message to the Right Honorable Todwong Richard. So we need to find out. We have been seeing posthumous promotion since the time of the passing of Paulo Cage. That's when many people started knowing about posthumous promotion in mostly northern Uganda. But then, could be there's somebody out there who doesn't know. So let's find out what posthumous promotion is all about. A posthumous promotion is an advancement in rank or position that is awarded to an individual after their death. This is often done to honor the individual's service, sacrifice, or contributions, particularly in military, police, or related services. Such promotions recognize the deceased valor, dedication, or extraordinary efforts that were not formally acknowledged during his or her lifetime. Now, what about a posthumous promotion to Lieutenant Colonel as done to Brother Opiyo? So Opiyo is no longer a major, Opiyo is a Lieutenant Colonel. So a posthumous promotion to the rank of Lieutenant Colonel would elevate the deceased individual to a senior officer position in the military, typically just below Colonel and above Major. This rank involves significant responsibilities such as commanding a battalion-sized unit, which can include up to 1,000 soldiers, or serving in senior staff roles at higher headquarters. Posthumous promotions, promoting someone to Lieutenant Colonel, would usually be done to recognize exceptional service or sacrifice, ensuring that individual's legacy is honored and remembered within the military and the border. So those are the benefits of posthumous promotion. And of course, your salary or retirement package, or the package given when you die, it increases according to the rank that you're being promoted to. So those are the benefits, and I think we should give applause to the fountain of honor, that is the president, for doing this to our brother. And may the good Lord give him eternal rest. Thank you.